Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to continue our Laravel 8 Ajax CRUD, where we are going to delete the data from our database without the page reload using Ajax jQuery. So guys, let's get started. So first let's move to our table design. So guys, this is our table view and we are fetching the data using this function where we have called the Ajax, and inside that we have appended the HTML table where you can see this delete button. Okay, so guys, now once we click this delete button, we are getting the item of ID. So this item is nothing but your student ID. Okay, so let's get that value of that ID. So once we click, so guys, for that this is our delete button. Okay, and this is the delete student. In a class I have named as delete student. So let's take this and create a simple JQ application, JQ on event, where document dot, where we are going to work with click event, and on what click you are going to work on the class that is delete student. So when I click on this, I should get this value. So to stop the reload of the page, we will use this prevent default. So event dot prevent default function, and now let's create one variable called student underscore ID is equal to dollar dot val, where you will get the value of the student ID. So this okay, so when we click this, right, so this is called this click, so we'll mention that this dot val. So when you click this delete button, that val we are going to get. Okay, so once we get, we want to push them in a model. So before that, let's alert and check, guys. So let's alert that student ID, paste, and now let's see the output. Refresh, let's click on delete. Perfect. So we clicked on 4 data 1 1. Cool. So now guys, when we click on this delete button, I need a pop-up model that should come like this and delete the data. So guys, let's copy this same form. So let's get back. Let's move on the top. So this is our edit model, guys. Let's copy and paste it below. And now let's rename this as delete student model. Okay, let's copy this and mention over here. So and delete student model. Let's change the model name. So instead of edit, we'll make it to delete student model, and change the model title delete student. And we don't require these things, so let me just remove this, remove this input fields. Let's add a h4 tag for are you sure want to delete this data. So you will tell yes, delete. Okay, and this button name will make it to delete student button. Okay, and now guys, this input field name over here, instead of edit student ID, we'll make it as delete student ID. So we need an input tag. Let's give this as text over here to see the output first. So now in our jQuery, okay, so this is the delete student. Let's make it little space because we are getting confused where it is. Alert, and now I want to send the student data into my input box. So which input box? Your delete model. Let me minimize this. So this input field. Okay, so let's copy this student input ID and send over there. So dollar where hash its ID dot val function, where inside this val we are going to send this student ID. All set. And after this, I want to awake the model, like show the model. So model function inside single quote, you are going to show that, where your model name with the ID. So my model name is delete student model, which is in the ID. Okay, let's take that and paste over here. Set And now guys, let's see the output. Refresh. Let's click on delete with the ID 5. So we are on the ID 5. Delete. Perfect. So you are getting 5. Let's delete on 1. You are getting 1. Okay. So guys, now let's hide this input box and start with the delete data. So first let's go back to our model, delete model. Make this input as hidden and copy this button guys. So when I click yes delete, that time we are going to create one on event jQuery document, which is going to be click event on what click, that is delete student button, and then event. So this event dot prevent default, which will help you to not reload the page. Okay, so after this let's get the ID. So that is student underscore ID is equal to dollar open and close dot value val function. Okay, so what value are going to get? So I am going to get, when I click on this, I need the ID of your input field. So when I click this, I need this ID. So inside this you have some value when you delete that. So let's get that over here. It's a ID, so put in hashtag over here. And now guys, as simple, let's start with the Ajax query. So JQ Ajax, we are going to use delete method. So let's click over here and URL. So delete hyphen student forward slash, we're concatenate with the student ID. So guys, we are sending a request. Okay, so for that you need a Ajax CSRF token. So let's copy that. Let's go back over here, copy this and paste it. All set. And now guys, let's send the data. We are not sending any data, so let's remove that. And when we get the response, so let's see the response guys first. Console dot log function, you can get the response. So let's copy this and go to your web.php. Let's create a route colon delete method. Okay, because the type is delete forward slash, we have concatenated the ID, so you need to pass that ID to your controller. So let me just copy the same controller and we are going to destroy the data. So let's copy and go to your student controller and create a simple function guys. So public function where destroy function, and inside this destroy function you are getting the ID from the parameter URL. And let's create one variable called student is equal to call your model. So my model is student model, where I'm going to find the ID first. So that ID you are getting from your destroy function. So we are getting the specific ID. After getting the ID, we are going to delete the data. So once it's deleted, that time you need to show the message as response. So let me copy from here and paste. Once deleted, you are going to show that success, which is means 200, and the message you are going to show student deleted successfully. Done. So now let's get back to our index over here. So let's dollar open bracket $text function where hashtag in your success, because this hash is used for ID in jQuery, and the response dot message. So what message you are sending. So let's copy this message and paste. So once deleted, what we have to do, the form should be hidden. So like yes delete means this form should get closed. For that guys, you need to just add model where you are going to tell hide, and which model you are going to hide, the delete model. So let's copy that student delete model, paste, and let's design this success message. It's a simple div tag, right? Let me just comment that. Okay, let me just copy from below. Good guys, let me copy and paste. So this is my success message where I'm adding a simple class guys to that and showing the message over there. So once it's deleted, what I want to do is that, so suppose you have deleted the data and you want to reload this page without the page reload. So guys, for that we have created the fetching of student in one function. So let's call that function, copy this and call the function after your success of your deleting data. So guys, now let's test it. Refresh, inspect, go to console, and now guys, let's click on delete. Click delete. Yes, delete. Perfect. So our data is deleted and the data is fetched without the page reload. So now let's click on ID number 2 that I want to delete. Let's click delete. Yes, delete. Cool. So you can see that guys, it's done. So I just want to show you one more thing, like dummy at g.com. So random phone number, BCA, save student. You can see student added successfully. Cool. And now we want to delete this. While deleting, it should show deleting. Okay, so it should, instead of yes delete, it should show deleting. So let's make that simple thing over here. So when I click on this button, what I want, this dot text, just write simple thing, deleting. Okay, so same thing you are going to copy and paste after this function, and copy this button name and paste it and make it as same thing what it was, yes delete. Save it. Let's refresh, and now guys, let's see the output of this. Now from yes delete to it will start showing deleting. Click, it's deleting, it's deleted successfully. So guys, we have successfully completed our Ajax CRUD in Laravel 8 without the page reload. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.